Gunfight Arena. Sorry guys, it's been almost 2 months since I did a video because I was sick. I had I don't know what's called. In Swedish it in the Arabic called feber. And I had water cup. It's like you have. It's good for you. It's good for you, but you have a lot of dots all over you. Oh man, I got 250k. At least it's good. Damn. Is my so can you guys please hit that subscribe button and like and put notifications on because you don't miss a single video. And we're so close to 200 subscribers, so please guys, please, please subscribe. We're so close. Time to use the big guns. There's the big guns. Wow. And guys, grab your snacks because this is gonna be a long video. In the next video, we're gonna play some Fortnite. Bro, guy is using peace. I don't know how to call it. Bruh. I've already 5 kills now. I'm gonna catch up. Come on. I used to be level 100. I don't know what happened, and I got reset to level 1. And soon we're gonna play Bed Wars or Block Streets. So I'm gonna buy the AK-6. I already have the AK-47. Where is it? Not that. What is it? I literally just bought it. Where is it? There it is. Thank you for 75,500. I'm rich. So I have over a million. No. It's coming right now to your face. No, I gotta catch up. I'm already 5th place. Bro, no. Liverpool. Liverpool just killed me. No! My bro just stole all of the kills. No. Bro! I wish we had unlimited ammo. Here we come here. No, bro. I'm bringing the SMG. I'm bringing the SMG. My boy's getting cocked up. No. I'm gonna look at in the menu if I can add like no, I'm not resetting to default. Oh my god, guys. Bro, they just blocked me up. No, I can't be listening. I haven't even listened. Hello? Bro, I didn't even kill a single person. I'm third place. I'm third place. I'm third place. Oh my god, I gotta be third place. Bro, should I buy a gun? I don't know if I should buy a gun. Because I'm saving up. No, I'm buying the whole set. I don't care what you say, I'm buying the whole set. Get out of here. I'm buying the whole set. I don't know what to do. Come on. That's not a lot of credit. Bro, this is cheap. I don't care if I get less kills. I just want to buy. I just want to get a whole gun and all the guns in the game. Except for the PvP. And the VIP. Why can't I buy? I can buy. Oh. Double barrel. Actually, guys, don't get your snacks. I'm sorry, but if you want to get your snacks, just it's just gonna be like 15 to 20. This video is gonna be 20 minutes long, I think. I bought this gun earlier, but I got reset it, so I gotta buy it again and again and again and again. Okay, 15. So. Get 23 tags. I want this one. This is better. Please. No. I'm gonna buy. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I already bought that. Guys, we can, yeah, after when after when Yeah, I don't have enough. So now we're gonna end the video now. Goodbye, guys, and like and subscribe, please.